This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Reach under the steering column and pull the bonnet release handle. Push the safety catch to one side and lift the bonnet. Unclip the support prop and engage it with the underside of the bonnet. If the marks on the original equipment spark plug leads cannot be seen, mark the leads to correspond to the cylinder the lead serves. Twist the plug cap slightly to break the seal, then pull the leads from the plugs by gripping the end fitting, not the lead, otherwise the lead connection may be fractured. Remove any dirt and debris from the spark plug recesses. A vacuum cleaner is ideal for this. Unscrew the plugs from the front of the cylinder head using a spark plug spanner, suitable box spanner, or a deep socket and extension bar. Keep the socket aligned with the spark plug. If it is forcibly moved to one side, the ceramic insulator may be broken off. Check the gap between the electrodes of the new plugs and adjust if necessary. The correct gap is 1 mm. Do not attempt to adjust multi-electrode plugs. It is often difficult to insert spark plugs into their holes without cross-threading them. To avoid this possibility, fit a short length of 8 mm diameter rubber or plastic hose over the end of the spark plug. The flexible hose acts as a universal joint to help align the plug with the plug hole. Should the plug begin to cross-thread, the hose will slip on the spark plug, preventing thread damage to the cylinder head. Tighten the spark plugs to their specified torque. Press the leads onto the spark plugs to their original locations. Disengage the support prop and clip it into place. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.